Okay, so for today's look, we are going to be doing the new American Horror Story Delicate inspired look. Going off of Kim Kardashian's makeup with the glasses, and then I'm also going to add some spiders kind of coming up my chest just to give it a little bit more than just a normal beauty makeup. So let's get to it. Alright, so I am wearing one of these just so you guys are not like, is she wearing a shirt? I'm wearing a bandeau. So first step, I'm going to block out my eyebrows. I'm gonna use just a handy dandy Elmers glue stick. And I just like to add a ton of glue. And then I take one of these little bristle brushes and I stick my eyebrows up nice and straight. And then add some more glue on top. Alright, next I'm going to make the base of me a lot lighter, almost white. So I'm going to be doing some cream makeup. Got my Clown White, lovely stuff. So I just need a little bit, so I'm just going to spoon out some and put it on a palette. I'm going to take a little makeup sponge and I'm just going to sponge it all over me. Alright, so that was me using the, where's the top? Mehron Clown White. Top was a little dirty, but that was a cream-based makeup. Now I'm going to set it with my Airspun Loose Face Powder. Alright, so my base is all done. Now I'm going to go in with all of my contouring and highlighting. So right now I am just contouring with some gray eyeshadow. Nothing too crazy. Almost like how you would contour your beauty makeup, but with grays instead. Alright, next up I'm going to be doing the eyes. So I don't have lashes that are that crazy, so I'm just going to face paint them on. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a nice liner brush and some black face paint. I'm using Mehron Paradise AQ in just black. And I'm going to start off by figuring out the tallest lashes. So they go pretty high up, all the way up here. Alright, got some crazy lashes on. Alright, next up, going to add some liner. I'm using Kat Von D's Tattoo Liner. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the corners, and then I'm gonna get my waterline. Alright, got the corners. Now I'm gonna get the waterline with CoverGirl black pencil. Alright, next up is the lip. So we've got a red lip that's a little bit darker along the edges and lighter in the center. I'm actually going to use that same black CoverGirl pencil liner just to get the outside of my lips done. Alright, lips are outlined. I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D Everlasting lipstick. What's the shade? In Nosferatu. Alright, then just going to take a little bit of a gel, black gel, from my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. It's super old, but it still works when I need it to. Just a little pencil liner. I'm gonna go along this edge again. Alright, now I'm going to put some highlights in the middle just with some face paint. So again, Mehron Paradise AQ. Going to use a lighter red and then some white. Alright, so next I'm going to get to the spiders that are crawling up my chest. So I'm going to get my hair out of the way in the back. So just going to go ahead and put on one of these little guys. Alright, cool. So I want my spiders, I want like a large one here and then like a little baby one here. Alright, then I just use a little bit of shadow to get the illusion of the shadows. Actually, it's like eyeshadow for the shadows. Okay, looking good, looking good. Now I just need to add all of the little details in there to make it really come to life. Alright, so I have mommy spider and baby spider. Alrighty, so now I just need to put on my wig and put on the glasses and then I'll be done. Alright, got my wig on. Here are my little makeshift glasses. Thanks for watching.